Okay, so I went to the ocean, to the Puget Sound down at the beach. We live like 50 yards away. And I picked some, I was doing live streaming down there on my other YouTube channels. And then I started picking up some mussels. There's like so much of them in there. There's too many of them. And so I cooked it today. Look at that. This is pretty awesome. I mixed up the clams and the mussels together. So I finally got it all done cooking them. And they're so yummy. So delicious. I'm gonna be picking out here pretty soon. Look at that. Look at that. They're so big. The shells are huge. Look at this right here. See how big that is? It's huge. That's pretty big. There's the meat.